Boo. Hey guys, it's Mckenna. Your Friday on 7 Shining Ages. This week's theme is the great outdoors. Okay, so in my last video, I said it was a webcam video, which was just terrible. Just terrible. I said that I would try my hardest to make an actually good video with, like, you know, pauses and all that stuff. So I went ahead and I did. Are you guys proud of me? Well, I hope you are proud of me. So we shall go and become one with nature. Hey guys, look what I found. It's a plant. It's like a baby and it's just so cute. And it shall be my friend, and I shall name it Mr. Planty. Do you like him? I do. I wonder what else there is to see. I think I'm officially one with nature. So that was my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Oops, I forgot one more thing. Derp.